Hi everyone, Ben here. We have some interesting bottoming action taking place in the precious metals markets right now. And so I'm going to issue a market alert for the precious metals. It's July 28th, 2025, and it's about 5 after 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Here is the hourly chart of gold. So we broke down from this ascending red trend line here, and I think the traders are just running the stop. And we've also, I'll zoom in a little bit here, we also formed a divergence here with the MACD. So I much prefer buying a dip in the market. And if you're interpreting this as just a run on the stops, it could be an opportunity here, but just making you aware that basically the market has dipped, possibly running the stops, and we do have that momentum divergence on the hourly chart. So if you're looking for a dip, I'm just making you aware that the gold market is dipping with those divergences. And silver, similar action here on the hourly, a little bit flatter action again with silver. So kind of this flat action here with the lows, maybe going a little bit lower, and then you're getting the divergence here with the MACD in silver as well. So confirming the divergence in gold. And you see the last time we had very similar action here in silver, that flattish kind of little bit downward bias lows, and then a momentum divergence on the hourly led to a big rally here and a break above this old highs. And we'll just zoom in here so you can see that close up of that bottoming action. And we are making those lower lows with an increased momentum, showing that selling pressure is waning in the silver markets as well. And we'll look at GDX, not really any momentum divergences here, but the market has pulled back fairly significantly here from this 54, 57 top. We're down to 52.36. So a little pullback in GDX. And we are over, I don't mention this often, but we are oversold here on the Stochastic, where you often get bounces. See, we're oversold here, and you get like, we had this run up here. So a lot of times when that's another signal, another buy signal is when we get below 20 on the Stochastic. So GDX is below 20 right now. So I do think longer term, just that we are in a consolidation for the last 3 months here, and we see this flag here for GDX. I do believe we're going to break to the upside in gold, silver, and GDX in the short term now. The consolidation is getting a little long in the tooth here, and looks like it's going to continue to go higher and break up higher out of the consolidation. And look a little closer here, just at those levels. You see, maybe a little run of the stops here as well at this 53.16 support level that we've had, and traders could be running the stops here as well on GDX. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.